Hi guys, I'm back and now another recipe called Keema Paratha. For the Keema recipe, please follow the link in the description box. Again show you how to make the Keema Paratha. Take a round ball of the dough. Spread the oil evenly. Dust in some dry flour. Add in 1 tablespoon of keema. The pan has become hot and nice. Sprinkle some oil and spread it. Turn the paratha. There's a yummy flavor which is coming out of the keema, which is in the paratha. It's really yummy and mouth-watering. It is well cooked from both the sides, and now I shall plate it. The paratha is well done. Again, this is a quick meal. You can eat it any time of the day, whether for breakfast, lunch, or even for dinner. You can have it with raita, achar or papad, whatever you like. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.